Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to remove n elements from the beginning of an array using JavaScript. Let's get started. This function is useful when we need to extract a portion of an array while keeping the original order. This function utilizes the slice method to extract elements from the beginning while maintaining the original structure of the array. We determine the number of elements required and use slice to extract the first n elements while ensuring the array is not modified. The function dynamically adapts to n, ensuring we do not need to attempt to extract more elements than exist in the original array. This function is particularly useful when working with paginated lists, logs, or retrieving the most recent data entries. This function provides a clean and efficient way to extract elements from the start of an array, making it a handy tool in many real-world scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.